Okay. Jesus will give me a crown someday. Jesus will give me a crown. Jesus will give me a crown someday. The beautiful, beautiful crown. There will be stars in my crown someday. There will be stars in my crown. There will be stars in my crown someday. That beautiful, beautiful star. Jesus will give me a robe someday. Jesus will give me a robe. Jesus will give me a robe someday. That beautiful, beautiful robe. Jesus will give me a home someday. Jesus will give me a home. Kanta na. Jesus will give me a home someday. That beautiful, beautiful home. Di man ka mo kanta. Kanta na.